guys. So yesterday we done a first class of Express where we will learn middleware, and today we will learn this middleware more topics, the inbuilt middleware and different type of middleware available in you can say Express. So it's you can say part 2 of middleware in Express. So as we did yesterday, so I will explain the things to you. Earlier means I do everything in front of you and prepare the file in front of you, but now I change my mind and I already prepared that file for you so that it will save our time, and we just do the practical at Chitindra end, and it will save our time. Okay, so right now if you are able to see, this is a R file which we are gonna cover today and this is a you can say this is a overview of this means it's a you can say what is Express is a minimal and flexible Node.js web application framework that provides a reverse set of features for web and mobile application. It is at its core expresses a series of middleware functions. So you can say it's a series of middleware functions. Okay. So middleware function or middleware is a more core of the Express. So what is middleware? Middleware function or function that have access to these parameters: request, response, and next. So request response means what user request to the server, and response what he will get as a response. And if next middleware function is the application request response cycle. Okay, so it's a request response cycle, and if you want to solve, like there is a middleware which is just checking the like we did yesterday, is you can say printing the logs of URL, and if you want to means do apart from that, if you want to use another thing, then you need to next means I want to do next thing. Apart from this, you need to do that. Okay, you need to use next. Okay, and middleware, what middleware can do? Middleware can execute any code, means it can execute any code, and it can modify the request and response object. Whatever we are getting from the user of our request and response, we can change that on the as per our requirement, and based on a condition or requirement we can change, and the request response cycle like this means you can end or move forward with the help of next. We can do that, call the next middleware in this tab, and we can call a next middleware as well. Okay, and if middleware does not end the request response cycle, it will call next. If a middleware does not end, you can next avoid the having the request hanging. Okay, let's say you are write a middleware. If you not call a next, it will hang. Okay, because you not release that middleware and you not move from that middleware, that's it's in a hang state. Okay, any question or concern regarding this, guys? If you have, just let me know. Okay, type of middleware, there are you can say these are the type of middleware: application level middleware, and application middleware, route level middleware. Okay, and your this error handling middleware, built-in middleware. Okay, so there are 4 type of middleware. So you can, apart from that, in inbuilt middleware, we have third party middleware as well, which is developed by a third party to solve a specific problem or things. Okay, so in a means in a package of node, when we use a node project and there are package, we will learn lot of thing and we will use lot of middleware, third party or by own itself. So it's a means topic which you need to know very well. Okay, so as we learned yesterday, to application middleware, to use application middleware, you need to use app.use method or app.method, and get etc means it is applicable for get, post and everything. Means as you know, it's a series of express is nothing, it's a series of middlewares. Okay, so middleware without mount label run for all the, right now you are able to see we are not giving any path to this, and we are just using this means function. So it will, you can say, work for every route. When you run, then it will, you will get the current date. Okay, and as we discussed, because we don't want this middleware is hanged, so we'll move this to next, and it will get a chance to, we are able to, you can say, able to run this middleware. Okay, so here you understand, means here we are performing some action, means we are running a function, and if we will not means use this line, it will means stuck in this function only. Make sense for you or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and here means you understand this, we are sending, this is also we are exiting with the help of sending. Make sense? Because here we are not sending anything on a response, so it's stuck. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
and this is without a root, it will work for all, and with a mount it will, this middleware will execute only when you call this. Make sense? This part. And route get example, this is a get example when you call this. Okay, uh, so you will call this, there is a difference between use and this. Okay, when you call this with the method get method, then it's called. Okay, and it's a return a user, but it will not return anything, it will just print the your method. So you can say, you can call this with the this middleware for you can say different method, post, put and delete. Okay, okay, and any question or concern, guys? And for this means multiple middleware function substack. So right now here whatever we learn here is a single handler or single middleware function which is responsible for this, you can say, handling a request and response. But here we have, in a single we can use a multiple handler or multiple middleware. Make sense or not? This middleware is printing URL, and this is printing method of the request. Okay, and we can also you can say perform this. You can see here is this, and chain middle with the final response. Okay, so you can say here this is a final response. Like here we will just say next, 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 and after that it will move ahead for another thing. But if you want to, let's say, do some operation, first you will get a, you can say, things and perform the thing, and after that you need to send the, I mean, another, in a last you need to send the response to the user. You can do that as well. Make sense or not? Okay, skipping to next root with root. Okay, so here you can, for this next you can pass the root, this root as well. Means if this is a parameter request.param.id is 0, then next root, and otherwise you can, means in next you can pass a string value as well as a string parameter, and else otherwise it's go to next by yourself. We will check this in, you can say, and this is a user get user id and send special. Okay, any question or concern, guys? And here means this is a, you can say,
No, sir.
here they will use this without, means they are inline, they are doing this creating arrow function and using that. But if you want to reuse a middleware, then what you can do, you can create a function and create a array of middlewares, and after that you can, what you can do, you can just send, means use that means array of middleware, and after, means it's totally up to you, you can use multiple middleware, no issue. Make sense? So in this manner this will work and send this response, and if you call this, these two middleware also work. Okay, Jitendra,
Yes, sir.
any question or concern?
No, sir.
Because you need to do a practical. Okay,
Mm, mm.
so if you have any question or concern, please feel free to speak out. Sonika and Shivani. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so route level middleware work with the application level, work the same as a, but use as a express route instance. Okay, it will work as the same like this, but it will use the this instance of the router. Okay, so here you can see whatever we used for app, at the place of app we are using the router. Okay, and doing the same thing what we did earlier, just this thing is changed only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you can check here as well. Okay, and then last what we will do, we will assign a route. Okay, assign a route to our application, and it will work same like your whatever you are doing earlier with the app instance. Make sense or not?
Okay.
Okay, skipping the route with the route. Okay, router. Okay, skipping the entire route with the router. Okay, and XOR return router, not header return router. Okay, so we are saying, means if you want to skip all the router, then you can use this way. Okay, you can skip the router with this. Okay, and here we will say this router get route, and if you, based on this condition, it will skip, means all the router will be skipped, okay, and it will not gonna work. But if you will not do that in a middleware, then it will work as usual. Okay. Okay, we have done with two parts of this middleware application and router. So if you are good, let's move to error handling middleware. So in a error handling middleware, we encounter or new parameter introduced, that's a error. Make sense? Earlier we discussed this, and this. Now a new parameter introduced is a error, and error is, you can say, error is, you can say, we are checking this if the, you can say, we are printing the stack of error, okay, and after that we are returning the response. Means for this you can check anything, let's say error dot stack, okay, let's say not equal to null, error dot message is equal not equal to null, means there is something is there in error, then you can return a response, okay. And built-in middleware means we have a built-in middleware which you can use for different purpose. So these are the built-in middlewares. Serve the static files such as HTML, CSS and etc. Let's say you want to, means render a you can say HTML pages, or HTML site with the help of Express, then you can use this middleware, static middleware, and parses coming request with a JSON payload. If you want to parse that request request coming in your this API, then you can parse with the help of JSON. And if you want to encode your URL, then you can, with the help of simple this, you can save your or means protect your URL by parsing this, okay, URL encoder payload, and so forth. There are a lot of things, middlewares are available which used for different purposes, okay, and these are the available in Express 4.6.0 and higher. Okay, so let's say built-in middleware for, let's say for this static one, what you need to do, you need to create a project which you already know how to create a project, and there under hood, earlier we will create a index.file or app.js file, but now apart from that we need to create some HTML, CS and script file, or you can say web application, simple web application. And after that how you will use that, so we are just doing this, and we are saying this is a simple way, this is a new thing for you. We are just using the node path module and initializing the instance of that path, and after that what we are doing, we are using this middleware, JSON middleware and URL middleware and this path middleware. In this manner we are saying, means what is the directory name. This is a global variable for Node.js. When we will learn Node.js, then you know better, okay. And here we are saying directory name, what is the directory name of our project where it's running, and public, so it will get our project directory name and public. Join means it's joining, means let's say your public name is, let's say class 2, it will join, after that you will get this path, Okay, and we are saying under our project we have a public repository. You need to use that as a static, means this value, this path, from this path you will take the files and refer those in our code. Okay, so there is a submit thing, and you can say you are just printing that and running that, you will get. And now how you will validate? You can use localhost index.html. It's a HTML page. Okay, you can check that, and if you use another name based on that, it will work. Means with the help of static you can use that very easily. Okay, and linked will also be served automatically by Express, and it's also linked by with your pages, and you will see the impact of these file as well if you apply any styling or JS. Okay, so this is a last third party middleware. You can say, if as I told you, there are multiple middlewares are there, third party, which will solve a lot of purpose, like parser body, cookie parser, or course. There are a lot of things. Okay, so here we are installing this. First we are installing this cookie parser, and after that we are using this, and in this we are using that load the cookie parser middleware. Okay, and this is a what is functional concept in Express. Middleware is a foundational concept in Express, allowing for modular code organization, enhanced response control. Okay, and reusable processing logic. Use built-in custom or third-party middleware to build flexible and powerful Express application. Okay, any question or concern, guys? No? Then
No, sir.
you can see the output of this. What is the output you will get if you run this? You can see. Okay, so output expected below are the output that would be typically seen in the console for browser when they run the respective code snippet. So because timestamp, you will get this timestamp from your this time logger, and for middleware path you will get this, means type of method is get, and for this, if you pass this user and this route handler, you will get this output. And if you can say middle substack, you will get this output, and so on so forth. Means this is the output which you are expected. Okay, let me update this as well for you, Chatindra, so that you guys can validate. Okay, and let me update this for you guys, and update the output as well for class 2. Okay, and now Chatindra, means we have this collection as well, so that you can import and check directly. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
So just to take a pull from this branch, Express Basic, and go ahead and share your screen. Okay,
Okay. So I'm sharing my screen.
sure, go ahead. And means right now, means if you stuck, then Shivani and Sonika will help you. Okay, if they are not able to do that, I can jump directly and help you there. Okay, because right now everything with you.
आ जाता है. Guy classes 1. Node.js. Something is wrong.
Do step by step. Don't just copy everything, because that's a readme file. You need to just copy the code only. Like code is available. Just hold on, go up. If we talk about the code, this is the only code which you need to use, like this, line number 36 to this 36 to 39. But before that you just copy the previous code which you done in a your first, or just create a new project, or you can say use create a new project first. New
New
project.
project.
Yes, new project. You can say in a class 2 only, create a new project.
Basically,
Remove this Nest.js, because you need to install npm init y to create a new project. Am I right? You cannot directly use this
so
index.js.
so I need to put up here new project, no?
Yes, yes, yes. Practical class 2. Practical 2, class 2, without space, without space.
Hmm.
Okay. Now you do the same step which you done earlier in a yesterday class. Right click. Okay, let me guide you. Right click.
First you create project. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, right click and go to terminal. Yes, Shivani, guide him.
In previous class you have some steps, so you follow first. After that you follow second class step, like how to create project and run some command.
Install npm i express. Install express.
npm.
npm
Right.
i express. Okay, and after that create a one file there, index.js, in that folder. Index.js. Okay, open your yesterday project. Open your yesterday project. Yesterday project. Okay, so here what you need to do, you need to copy hello world example, or go up please, go up. Oh yes, copy this and paste here. Just first you need to do, just run this and check this output. If everything is goes fine, then we move ahead. Have you saved this? Okay, just check this. Localhost, where is the port? No. Open your yesterday code please. mm, Function middleware. Yes, please copy this, copy these as well. Quote, listen, yes. Yes, no, line number 33 till 33, yes.
This one, no?
Yes, go there, just paste here and remove this line number 6 to 10. Remove those 6 to 10. 6 to 10, remove. Okay, now save and run please. Run again. Run again. Okay, now it's fine, we are good. Now you need to middleware part, you need to whatever you need to try, you need to write that code uh, for line number this 6 and 7, in between 6 and 7. Make sense? Go to your readme file for class 2. Readme file for class 2. It's open, already open in a right hand side. Already open in a right hand side. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So in this, Chitindra, you will see this here JS line number 35. Are you able to see backtick JS? Am I right? Whatever is written in this line number backtick and JS, okay, you need to copy that code only, okay, and paste and run your code. Okay, and to check the output, you what you need to do, import this collection in your postman and run. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Postman.
Postman is there, that's fine. You go ahead and import a collection in a
Imports are
code.
already implemented.
Yes, in this folder, in a code, VS code, it's already given. You just import that.
Okay.
Are you able to see Express middleware postman collection in your project? No, VS code only. Go to VS code only.
Oh.
Are you able to see any postman collection code?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right click, reveal in file explorer. Okay, now open your postman, copy this path, okay, go to postman and import. Are you able to see import button? Yes, on top.
Let's just delete this one.
Import. Okay. No, what you need to do, just open your browse this file explorer in a parallel. Open a file explorer in parallel. Open the postman postman and just click on the import button and drag that file. Import first. Import. Now open the folder and drag. Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, now run your first request, user ID 1.
So this one, no?
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
Now run. It's not running. Check your project. It's working or it's running or not. No, it's not running. Run your Node.js. Node.js. Now run, please. In a postman. So okay, just do one thing. Just remove this. Go to your code. Go to your code, please. Just a minute. So this route is not there. Home route is there only. Make sense? So do one thing. Cut this code. Line number. Move this code. This, yes. This code into line number 6 and 7. Cut this. Cut line number 13 to 16. Cut. Cut and paste here. Yes. Now go to your this. Run your project again. Run your project again. Okay. Run. Go to postman and remove this user and 1 2 3. Remove this. Now run. Okay, and check the console.log. Okay, so server is listening. Console.log request app request. It should work. Okay, no worries, but it should work for each and every thing. Okay, do one thing. Cut this line number 7 to, you can say, 10. Cut this line. Cut. And after line number 2 press enter. After line number 2 press enter. No, 2. After line number 2, not 1. Paste. Now save and run. Run. Now check the run your from postman. Hit that endpoint. Hit. Okay, and now no, it's not working. Okay, no worries, we will check that. Just go ahead and execute another thing. Okay, have you run your project again? Hold on. App use is user slash depend. Okay, go ahead, go to your readme file. No, in your readme file, express this tool. Yes, show me. Just a minute. Middleware with the mount route. Okay, request method. Okay. Okay, go ahead, go to your postman. What error is giving to us? User cannot get. Okay, run. Do one thing. Just remove this user and 123 in a path per, or just run your project first. No. Just run and node index.js.
Sorry.
Index node index.js. Okay, now run. Go to postman. Not found. Remove this user and this. Remove this user and yes. Hello world is working, but that user and thing is not working. Okay, go there. Hello world is this. Okay, do one thing. Comment this line number 7 to 9. 7 to 9. Okay, now run your project. Are you able to see? Now you are able to see the time. Make sense? And request method as well. Okay, so it's working. No need to comment that part. It's working. Both are working. Okay, because you will get the middleware output with this only. Okay, now go there and just run this. Yes,
This
now
one.
use user that ID. Go to postman, user. No, it's not working. Okay, no worries. I will check. Move ahead means both the you can say middlewares are working, but this path is not working. I will check. No worries. Go to readme file and apply another things. Now that will work. Which is not working, now it will work. Check now. Save and run and check now. It will work. Okay, now try another things. Hitendra, if you have any question, feel free to ask. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and the same for Shivani and you can say Sonika.
Yes, sir.
Check the logs for your middleware output. Okay, so if you are able to see, we are line number 7. We are sending in a response. We are sending in a response user only. Line number 17. 17. 17.
7.
17. 17.
Hmm.
Which you are getting in a response. Am I right?
Okay.
Okay, try another things, and if you stuck, I can help you there. Okay, go there. Go there. So, have you run this project again? No. Just if you change something, you need to rerun your project again. Okay, go ahead, go to your code. Hold on. Go up, go up, go up, go up, and comment this line number 16 and 17. Comment, select and comment both lines. Okay, now run your project. Just comment the previous code so that you can not get a conflict there. Okay, run your this endpoint. Are you able to see the output which you have desired? Am I right? Okay. Method is fine. This is fine. Okay. This is user info. You are getting this output. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And whatever URL ID and things you are getting there in console. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, now comment the another things and try just new things so that you are aware with the output of the code which you changed.
But this code not working, right?
Sorry?
Basically, the user ID, we are putting the user and user ID is request original URLs, not right?
Yes, it's worked earlier. If you check this request URL, it's printing. Middleware is printing
Okay,
in a
just one.
console. Am I right? Request URL and request type. Am I right?
Hmm.
It's working. Now new code is also working.
This is request URL, right?
Yes, if you check this, go down, go down. In a new code, this is regular is printing. Make
This
sense?
one.
Okay.
Now we are getting time, get request type and URL. So this means this code is working, right?
Go up, go up. Time is also working. Go up, up, up. This
This
is
one.
working. Line number 12 is printing your get. Okay. And this request type is get. Am I right?
Hmm.
And line number 4 is printing your timestamp. Okay.
Yes.
And line number 22 printing your request URL. Okay. 22,
22.
22.
Yes, sir.
And 26 is printing again your this method.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Request get type get. So this code is working, right?
Yes.
No response. This means only this code is working, right?
Yes. Regular code is working. If you comment this regular one, then you will get this special. No, it hanged. Comment this whole code, line number 43 to 48, because you know not you next. If you want to, if you keep this code as well and you want to uh, avoid the this hanging situation, then in line number 47 you need to call next. Both will work. Make sense, Chitendra and Sonika and Shivani? Because right now it's in a hang situation. Okay, run this, run your project again and check. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Uncomment that code, uncomment that code,
This one?
uncomment, yes, uncomment that, uncomment, and after line number 40, 47 press enter and call the next. Next. Yes. Save, save and run and check the output. Now you will get the same output. Make sense? You understand the things or not? Jitendra,
Hmm.
you understand?
Next. No. Without next, we also printing the regular.
Earlier,
Hmm.
when you are returning this regular, am I right?
Hmm.
Means you are done with your this function and middleware, and you are saying I am done, and I am returning response. Am I right?
Hmm.
Like you are calling a function. Am I right?
Hmm.
And when it's end of the last statement of the your function is a return statement. Am I right? If you write anything after return, it is not a valid. Am I right? So it means returning means is done. Function is done. Makes sense.
Okay.
Their execution. And while you will comment this line number 47 earlier, am I right? But you not use next. Me you are saying this is continuously going on.
Hmm.
Makes sense? It's a continuously going on, so it's hanged. It's stuck here only. Cursor is stuck only that function or that middleware. To get rid of or get out of that middleware, you need to use next. Call next. Make sense?
Hmm.
Right now you are getting error. Why you are getting? Because on line number 47, when you send a response, we are done. So it's not able to understand why you write next there.
Okay.
Make sense or not? I think you are confused. Let's say, assume there is a entry and exit, am I right?
Hmm.
And if you are in between entry and exit, means you are inside, am I right? Make sense or not? let's
Yes, sir.
say let's say there is a train or bus have a one entry point and exit point, am I right?
Yes, sir.
And if you are in between, that means you are not done, means you are not exit, am I right? You are
Hmm.
still traveling. Make sense?
Hmm.
Same thing applicable here in a middleware. If you start middleware, okay, and you are not done,
Hmm.
then your express is understanding you are still doing something.
Okay.
Okay, that's why it's waiting to complete that. Okay, how you will tell it's complete? Either you will send a response or either you will move ahead with the next. This is a way to communicate to express, means I have done with this middleware. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
now you are clear, Shivani, Sonika. Now you are clear about this concept or not? Hanging. Okay, now it will give you a output regular. Run and now check. Make sense for you guys? Earlier we are doing this with a different middleware. What we did now, we will create a means multiple function and create a array of middleware and pass that. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Jatinder, you understand what we did?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I think so. We have 2 more minutes left. You can try, and I will say you guys need to practice the rest of the things by yourself. Okay. Now you need to comment a lot of things so that it will work. Go up, please. Go up. Mm, router use. Okay. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Okay. That's fine. Where is the listen statement? Where is your listen statement? Go up. Go up. Go up. Express road. This. Go up, please. Uh, go up. Go up. User this. App dot. Comment this. Comment this. Comment this. Comment this. Use yes middleware. Comment. Comment up. Up. This as well. This as well. And go up. Comment these as well. By number 3 and 6. Yes. Yes.
This one.
Yes. No, no. Line number 1 to 6. Okay. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Okay. Go down. And you need to copy the listen code here. Listen. After this, listen code. You no. Go to your class number. Yesterday class code. Yesterday class code.
Yesterday, yes.
Oh, okay. Do one thing. Line number 30 to this. You can say 32. Yes. Copy this and go to your code. Paste. Is there? Is there? Then fine. Yes. No. Why you paste two times? Only one
Yeah.
time. Control that. Control that. Now save and run. Okay. Now check the output. Everything is work as expected earlier. Okay, now we are using router at the place of app. That's the only difference. Okay. Okay, guys. So you will need to practice on this. Okay.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.